The quality of UG graduates at one time had created some amount of concern because their performance did not appear to reflect their years of studious work. The recently appointed Vice Chancellor of the University of Guyana, Professor Ivelaw Griffith, is not oblivious of this dilemma. He wants this to change and is working towards it.
Yes, I have heard locally and abroad the shortcomings of some of the graduates. You don't change that overnight, but you change that incrementally and slowly by having people having a professional environment, having them have a sense of camaraderie and community and wanting to endure some of what they've been enduring a little longer while they do a better job at enabling the students to get better outcomes.
Over time, Professor Griffith said the university has not been providing staff, both academic and non-academic, with the appropriate tools to get the job done, and as a result of that, the learning environment at UG has not been up to scratch.
So they have not been optimizing their jobs because they have not been given the resources. And the ultimate losers in that whole scenario is the students. If you don't have enough teaching staff, and you've got to rely so significantly on part-timers who have their own professional engagements, and to make it worse, you don't pay the part-timers anything much. And I've heard many part-time lecturers, they don't even bother to collect the pittance that is a paycheck.
Entry into the university is also not an area that needs closer attention, Professor Griffith pointed out. He added that irrespective of what one thinks of Guyana over the past 3 decades, the reality is the country's primary and secondary education systems have declined qualitatively.
And so what the university has been taking in is a lower quality, trying to manage that quality, and in effect, sometimes compromising the integrity of the lecturers.
The government can rest assured that the new Vice Chancellor will request more money for the university, even though he has plans to generate revenue for the institution internally.
I do expect, but I also expect not to get all of what I ask for, because we have a lot of needs. And I'll be asking not only for increased subvention to cover salaries, I'll be asking for increased funding to do a bunch of other things.
The new Vice Chancellor wants his legacy at the institution to mirror one that brought excellence, credibility, and respectability to the university. Handel Duncan, HGP Nightly News.